That's why I wake up every morning. I grind, stand up and sundown. Wake up knowing that people expect me to lead them to a win. When times is tough, they look at me for answers, hoping I can lift them up from their fears and problems. So I grind, Sunday to Monday, because there ain't no role models. There ain't no true leaders left. So it's up to me to make sure the world knows that I'm that new guy. I'm that new inspiration.
Success music.
I'm the new guy. I made it from the slums back in Africa where most of my niggas committed suicide. Every story got a two-side. T-shirt trying to make it to the suit and tie. You know a nigga gotta survive, it's do or die. We gotta make it and it's really up to you and I. Started from the bottom, nigga really did a lot. So tell me who am I? Obi su friend nyame na boys in honti ya mama sumo ndweme na me peme ni makoma promise me fancy second ya ne wo me kina so say na me ye ne da no TV you shrag and the synagogue. My rapper my jacket you do ne kina for FM abo. So still I make him in sooner to rap is movie me nowadays. Shout out to synagogue rapping if you me no Fred, me speedy flow no from kilo to tons. Rapping for America, but it truly belongs to the black, so I'm free to cast on the song. Fuck around with me, that made the span, I made you blow along. When I say rapping, yeah, they were started from 97. They told the Biana July, me name my dad for big heaven. Me know we be disturbing the neighborhood. Tell my community now, still I let me who me hood in the heaven. Rapping the women in the boom, starting me tracking the boom, checking me stamping the boom, skiving the sky in the boom, dropping me sack in the boom, not setting me trapping the boom, or be the style in the boom, dogging the time in the room, 24/7, yeah, they me rapping the Bukuti, I no ball, cause it comes with it. Came from the ghetto, then I'm a bench, me, your public, my people, they call me up in the palm with it.
That's why I wake up every morning. I grind, stand up and sundown. Wake up knowing that people expect me to lead them to a win. When times is tough, they look at me for answers, hoping I can lift them up from their fears and problems. So I grind, Sunday to Monday. I'm that new guy.
The beast of the South on my worst behavior, don't make me angrier. Couple shots all in your dome, and that turn your shit to a stadium. Dr. Martin Luther King, I done had a dream, nigga. 20 bitches in my bed, naked counting cheese, nigga. Black man in the fucking Beamer, got it tiptoeing like a ballerina. Diamonds water like a Aquafina. Serving bitches like a new subpoena. Only pieces on my Cuban chain. Sell your soul and get a birth of fame. Baltimore just with the war, damage in the stores, damn, not a thing changed. Protesting since an adolescent. Prison cells are getting too congested. Righteous living, fucking suicide. Newer guys wearing suit and ties.